In this video, we will see how to add an expedite or a surcharge to an order within FloorVisio. For this example, we will be looking at sample customer, sample fabricated part. We will add an order for this part and we'll let it be PO 123456, PO line 1, quantity of 10, price of $25 each due on 7/19/2026, and we will scroll down to the bottom and we see the expedite surcharge fees. The PO line, we can put whatever number we want, the date the surcharge is due, and a description of the expedite fee or charge. The amount will say 500. This invoice is a read-only field. When this has been invoiced, this will be filled in with the invoice number. So we will now select Save Order. We'll see that the order is saved and the expedite charges are here. Now, when the first time this order ships, so we see now that we have shipped one, when we print the packing slip we'll see that the expedite charge is added to the packing slip. And here again it's added here. We'll also notice that when we look at the invoices we'll see right here is this invoice 1021, and here is the part that shipped on work order 409, and here it added the expedite charge for work order 409. Now, when we go back to this order and edit the order, we'll scroll down and we'll see that the expedite charge is now read-only and it has been invoiced. Invoice number 1021. Since the expedite charge has been invoiced, any subsequent shipments will not show the expedite fee on the pack slip or on the invoice. And this is how to add an expedite fee to orders within FloorVisio.